Merry Christmas, everybody. My name is Eric Bland. If you guys haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe now. I do videos about reviews and just all kinds of different things. So today, this is a garbage haul day after Christmas. I knew there would be things out there, might be worth some money. So let's take a look and see what I got.
I'm gonna show you how great I am.
5, 4, 3, 2.
This is a cool box right here. More of these hockey pucks. This is just full of Detroit Red Wing stuff. Another hat, or another helmet. Will go in the bag over there. Another helmet. This is like a Detroit Red Wings helmet, just kind of a show one. That's pretty cool. Oh, we got all kinds of memorabilia from the Detroit Red Wings. Their goalie trapper keeper. Pretty cool. All kinds of hockey players down here. This is Steve Yzerman right here, and it's like the cool ones. It's not like the old. Look how cool the face is on that one. Here's a guy I recognize down here, Patrick Wall. Seems like a lot of the arms are broken on him. This one's not so much. This one's good. Shanahan. So this is like stuff back in my day. Dominic Hasek. There's got to be a couple goalies in here. I mean, this is Hasek. Patrick Wall. His arm is broken. Let's see. Transformer dog. So they're not all perfect. Yeah, he's broken. This guy doesn't have a stick. There's a couple sticks down there. So, pretty cool. Red Wings, gotta be a Red Wings hat. When you were down there at the Joe Louis. All right, we got a wing nut. It's a little old school, but the wing nut, that's kind of cool. Detroit Red Wings ice scraper for your car. That will come in use here in Michigan. A couple pennants. You always look at these pennants. This one's in a little bit better shape. This one's a little bit rougher shape here. It's got some discoloring on it. We got a water bottle. The one thing you want to look, this is from Kmart. We don't even have Kmart's open anymore. The things I always look for is signatures. This box is full of Red Wing stuff, you guys. Gordie Howe. This is, I don't know who that is. These are cups from Burger King. Take a look at those. Here's another cup, Detroit cup. Another Detroit cup. A clock, Detroit clock. Some stickers. Ooh. Oh my gosh, there's a Sergei Fedorov card. It's probably worth nothing. I don't know. This is cool. Sparky Anderson. Brand new, still in the plastic. The bobblehead. Curtis Joseph. Little bobblehead guy. Another alarm clock. This is like somebody's. We used to have these things as kids too. Stanley Cup. This is the Red Wings schedule. So look at those things. These are cool, these little banners. Pretty awesome. Let's see, there's a hockey puck in here. Eric Lindros. There is a couple more cards in here. These Sergei Fedorov cards. And more Sergei Fedorov cards, so I'll put those all together over there. Little pennant. These are cool. Bumper stickers. Another sticker. Hats. Tons of hats. A little headband. This is for, must be like laundry. flag. Flag for the 2 flags and a button. Must be some articles in there. We'll read those later. Candy with Red Wings. Take a look at this. These are cool. Some more Sergei Fedorov cards. And this one is Mickey Redmond. Mickey Redmond. That's an old school card. It says $3 on there, so that's probably worth that. There we go. Little eraser pens. Go good for the little hockey game I have. Another guy. Ted Lindsay. Cool. Some Detroit Red Wings 2000. This must have been passes, tickets would go in there. Music, bring it home. All right. Some towels, frisbees. Mickey Redmond again. Let's see what else. Oh, look, Stanley Cup ring. I believe this came from Little Caesars, if I remember right. A big gulp. Glass. Some more cups. This is what you need, more wallpaper in your life. There we go, Detroit Red Wings license plate. A bag, Detroit Red Wing bag. Must be some kind, a bank. All right. Hey, mini sticks, there we go. Steve Yzerman. There we go. Detroit Junior Wings. Another little stick. Some more cards down here. Let's see. This is Mickey Redmond again. And here's a stack of cards. Red Wings checklist. Steve Yzerman. There's an old water bottle. Never opened. Hockey Town. There's another ring. Yep, there's a Little Caesars thing still in the bag. It's a keychain. Another keychain. There's a little Fedorov pin. There's another little pin. Champion pin. There we go. Octo. And just a bunch more stuff down in there for you guys. So there we go. That was pretty good haul there. I also got this over here. Little table. This little computer table. And we are all set, you guys. Until next time. Love yous.